Welcome back to my channel YT Cars. A machine with a unique heart and bold character, the Mazda RX-8. Unlike anything else in its class, the RX-8 combined a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, and a high-revving rotary engine into a package that delivered raw driving excitement. Released in 2003, the RX-8 carried the torch from the legendary RX-7. But it wasn't trying to be the RX-7. It was its own creation, one that aimed to redefine the modern sports coupe. At its core was the Renesis engine, a naturally aspirated 1.3-liter two-rotor Wankel rotary engine that challenged everything we knew about internal combustion. Despite its small displacement, this engine produced 232 horsepower in the manual transmission version and 212 horsepower in the automatic. What it lacked in torque, it made up for in personality. The Renesis could spin up to a redline of 9,000 RPM, offering an exhilarating and linear power band unlike traditional piston engines. Mazda didn't just build a quick car, they engineered a unique experience. That experience began every time you turned the key and heard the Rotary's distinct whir. Smooth, high-revving, and compact, the Renesis sat low and far back in the engine bay, contributing to the RX-8's excellent 50-50 weight distribution. This balance, combined with its rear-wheel drive layout, gave the RX-8 precise handling and agility through corners. The steering was direct, and the chassis offered exceptional feedback. The RX-8 was light on its feet, playful, and eager to dance on winding roads. One of the most distinctive features of the RX-8 was its body style. It had 4 doors, but not in a traditional sense. Mazda designed it with rear-hinged half doors that opened only when the front doors were open, creating a pillarless entry system. This made the RX-8 one of the few sports cars that could genuinely seat 4 people. The rear seats weren't just for show, they were surprisingly usable, especially for short trips.